Hi guys, it's Kondipress here again. In the last module, I teach you how to brand your website and made a logo. So in this module, I'm going to teach you how you can modify these templates to your desired template. The most important thing is that if you want to design any website, you must have this design in your mind that you want to use, or you have a website that you want to emulate or model towards. So in this tutorial, we are going to model this ninjaloaded.com.ng website. That is what we are going to model. We are going to design a blog, a Newsportal that look like Ninja Loaded. So if you remember the last time we accessed our cPanel, we accessed it through our Google host. And quick one, you can easily access your cPanel from your domain /cPanel. Let us want to access our cPanel here. Hola. The cPanel, we can just put our username and login and our password. If you remember, when we finish our registration, they send us most of the information into our Gmail. They send us our cPanel username and password there, so you can just go to your Gmail and put all this username and password and login. It will access the cPanel direct. So this quick way you can access cPanel without going through your hosting provider. So from this website now, if you have logged in to your admin panel, this is our dashboard in our admin panel, and you will see this newspaper WordPress newspaper. Like I tell you, if you install some plugin, there will be some additional icon or menu in this side. So from here, this is welcome plugin. These are the plugins that we have installed before. These are the pre-built website, which is the website where we install our template. So but what I want to access now is called theme panel. These features come with the theme that we installed in newspaper WordPress. So in the theme panel, this is the place that you can modify the necessary information regarding the theme. And from the header, this is the header we are using, the template header, to footer, the template footer, add template setting, where you can set your sidebar. You want smart sidebar, yes or no. Top button, where you can enable top button or not. So block, background, accept, theme color. We are going to modify all this later. So now from our website, if you want to modify anything, you have to open what we call website builder, and this theme come with a website builder called tag div composer. So if you have logged into your admin panel, you should see something like this, edit. So just click on that, edit. This will open the website builder. Yeah, hola, this is our website builder tag div editor. So it's simple, easy, just drag and drop website builder that we are going to use. So from the logo news magazine, you can delete it, you can modify it to anyone that you want, you can modify the row, modify the layout, do anything that you want to do. So let's start modeling the website that we want to build. So Ninja Loaded, so they have their logo at the top and they have menu follow. So that's what we are going to do. First of all, I will delete this. Let's click on delete, yes. And then I will change. If you want to change the row, you see row here, you click on the row. I want full width. They have this row or this anyone that you want to use. So they have full width. I want the full one, and then I want this to be in the center, so on the column. This is how you can design for different devices. You can check it on mobile, on landscape view, on portrait view, mobile, on small mobile devices. This is how it will look like. So you can design anything, but now we modify for desktop first. So we want it like this, and then I think if I want to achieve that, our logo should be in the middle. We have to first of all on the roll, and I will select 3 sections. So I will now move this to center. you can just click on it and drag. So I have it in the center now, and these elements, I will click on elements and I will locate where the image is located. If you remember, we've already designed our logo that we want to use, so I will click on remove and click on load another one. Select a file. This will open a media for us to select a file. You can just locate the file in our system under download. The last time we download the logo, yeah, these are different logo I modify. So what I will do is I will just select all the logo I've modified, and I will now choose which one is better. So upload. I will choose this. Okay, Ninja News. What is this kind of? This, the logo is small, but you can reduce the size when you are designing it. Another time we just design the logo and we download the low resolution. I will advise that when you want to do your logo, just give it to a professional logo designer or use a logo build app if you have the skill. Either you are doing it with Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Just design your logo, use a branded one for the business. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to manage this logo that I made online, and we have our logo at the top already. So on this side they have their menu, and we have our menu too. We can modify the menu. So let's assume I want to add a new menu, and I don't like all this icon on the menu. I don't like all the icon on the menu, but I just want the menu to have the list of what we want. So from the tag div editor, you can, on this website builder, this icon, you can click on this one to Ctrl Z, which is to undo what you have done before, and you can click on this to hide the left panel, so you can scroll the website. So if I click here, hide sidebar, I'll be able to scroll the website and see some other features in the website. So that this is easy way that you can modify the website layout. So click here back to open it. This will open the tag div editor. So if there is any element that you want to add to your website, you can just easily click on add and search the element here. There are different elements that is available that you can use. You can check the element by putting it to your website, get it back, put it to your website, and get it back again. So this element is the main menu. What we are going to do is that we modify this menu. We go to our admin panel, appearance, menu. We select the header menu at the top here, and these are our menu that is there already. The menu have an inbuilt icon, which is the icon, this is the tag. They are using a class to call the icon, which is, if you know HTML, this will be familiar to you. And I don't want all the icons, so just select it, delete. So we don't want mega menu. This mega menu, this is, if you check it now from our website, if I click on this, okay, let me just open a new tab that will open the website. Yeah, if you click on it, if you check it now, when I click on lifestyle, you see there is a drop down. This is what we call mega menu. It allows us to bring different menu out, which I don't want. So you just have to delete the mega menu. So I'll put this mega menu to no mega menu, and then the same thing, just do like that to all. Delete from the I to the I, just delete it, leave only the name that you want. Lifestyle, mega menu, no, you don't want mega menu. So just do like that for all the menu. So after you are done with the modification, just click on save menu, go back to our editor. Let's save what the changes that we make before. So if you want to save changes, click on save. This automatically save, and for us to see these have effects, just open another new tab that we have open before. Just delete cache, and this will reload the website and bring us the new modification. Hola, we don't see any icon there again, like see the one we are editing before that we have not reloaded. See icon, or this small icon, hearts, yeah. But this is the new website now, and now we have our logo here. So this is where we are going to be see changes what I will make in our website. So later in the day, I will change this name to this same name. So music, video, entertainment. Let us want to change that. So in our menu, we can just, these are categories that they have. So just go to menu, and then global category. Let's just change this to what you have there: music, video, entertainment. Okay, that's video, entertainment, fashion is entertainment. Okay, news. Okay, NLTV. Change to NLTV, and news NList. News. Since we already have video, let's just change video to another thing. DJ Miss. I'm going to change video to DJ Miss. DJ Mix. And easy here, you can drag and drop. This is where you can modify your menu. Let's assume now I want to move this DJ Miss to after video. So just easy, just click on it and drag. So click on it and drag. So now on the menu, now if assume you want to make a menu, you want to get a sub menu, like see this more now. Under more, we have a menu that is kind of inside. This is a sub menu. These are different sub menu that we have. I don't want to make this DJME sub menu, but under their website, I think they have some other sub menu, giveaway, and Fuji music. They have sports there too, giveaway and Fuji music, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I have give away. This is my sub menu, and Fuji music. So let me just leave the remaining one like this. So now if I finish these changes, you click on save again. You in our website now, if you delete cache, okay, we still have our menu changes. Okay, this giveaway, this music, this is the drop down menu. This is how you can make it. So just in your menu, drag it inside small, so you have it. These are the sub menu. It's inside. Why this is the main menu? They are the same size. So if you want to inside sub menu, you can still have another sub menu again, but just click on it, drag it inside again. So gadget, fact, they are under music. So let's just check it out. So we save again. So I delete cache just to reload the website. We have it under VG music. See it, we have another sub menu again.